Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Cass. I post videos all about DIY budget-friendly content creation to enhance your brand, business, or just create better content in general, you guys. I've been doing a ton of DIY photo shoots lately, so I thought it was only right to update my posing video. I posted a posing video a while back and it has some great, amazing tips for just understanding how to pose, what kind of lenses to even just take photos with, just to take better photos instantly, just little enhancements you can make to get better photos. But today's video, you guys, I wanted to add on to that. So definitely check out that video because I'm not going to mention the things that I mentioned in that video, but I wanted to add on, do a posing for photos 2.0 video to discuss some more things that can help when you're posing. So the first thing, you guys, a little hack on Pinterest, I actually started a posing board. So anytime I see any poses, and now that I've saved so many, Pinterest shows me a lot, or there's a lot of like little videos on Pinterest of people showing you how to better pose. Anytime I see any that I like, if I see any magazine spreads or anything, I will always save those into my new posing board. Definitely check it out if you guys want to, or just start your own posing board. But it's amazing if you are on set, you're stuck, you can't think of poses, if you work with other models and you need help thinking of poses for them, it's great to just have a board full of a plethora of poses and camera angles and different shots that you can get. So that's kind of my hack tip number one. Let's start with standing poses. So the number one standing pose that I find is just dancing. This is kind of hard when you're doing a DIY shoot though, because if you are dancing during a DIY shoot, then you might have to wait for a timer. So what I did while I was dancing was I kind of froze if I hit a move that I liked during dancing. But if someone is taking photos of you or snapping or using burst photos when you're taking photos of yourself, then that's an opportunity to, hit your moves, go crazy, and in there's going to be something beautiful, happy. With dance, that involves movement. So same thing goes if you're taking off guards, if you're walking, if you're doing something with some kind of movement, some kind of purpose, some kind of action, then that comes out for a great pose. So also, you guys, when you're standing, you don't want to stand up straight. You don't want to be a block. You want to accentuate your curves, your body, your legs, everything. So make sure, you're popping a hip. You're really, hitting. Some poses may feel uncomfortable. The more uncomfortable the pose feels, the better, you guys, because that means you're getting it. Definitely, you guys, always, stick a leg out, flex a little muscle, just try to really hit curves, chest out, shoulders back. All that posture was not for nothing, you guys, so hit them in your poses, play. Now, you guys, if we're getting to chair poses, again, you don't want to sit standard chair. If you have someone taking a photo of you in a chair, I suggest getting low angle. I think that looks the best in the chair because you kind of really get the long legs. But think of actually crossing your legs or pointing your toes if you're not wearing heels, you guys, or if you are wearing heels, you can still point your toes in heels. So just kind of really think about like arched back, pointed toe, different angles you can hit. Think fruit ninja, you guys, when you're posing, literally fruit ninja. Let's move down a level. So we start from standing, we got a little bit lower to the chair. So now let's talk about squatting the ground. If you're squatting, you guys, I definitely suggest having a main foot, a main leg that's in front of the squat, or just kind of have some kind of shoulder work with the squat. So if you want to pop a shoulder, pop a leg, don't just squat down. Nah, you need to look him, really pop it in the squat, pop it in the squat, pop it in the squat. Once we get another level lower, you are on the ground now. You are sitting down, and we're not sitting down like no regular people. We sitting down like Naomi Campbell. So yeah, you guys, when I was sitting, I did different things. Again, I like the lengthiness of legs, and that's why models typically have long legs, or at least in photos they do, because you want your legs to look longer. So I always kind of make my legs be the forefront. So you can kind of think of that if you're doing any sitting poses. If you're flexible, you can hit some like crisscross pretzel poses, like whatever you want to do, you guys. So that's kind of what I did. I just kind of played around with different things with my legs. I try to make my arms accentuate my legs. So I try to make them fit whatever angle my legs are going into, and I try to be really purposeful with my fingers as well, and my face. I was really bad at like paying attention to my face while I was working on posing my whole body. So I try to do something with my face. I try to think of like a theme or something going on, or like act like my camera is someone specific. So if that helps you guys, you can be like My camera right now is the pizza man delivering some pizza, and I'm hungry and I didn't even order this pizza. It's free, and yeah, I don't know. That could be what you're thinking during that shot. So we're actually gonna go even lower down to the ground. Down to the ground, y'all. We gonna go down to the ground. So this was actually kind of fun. Now that I'm in a new studio, I have hard wood, so I can actually extend my seamless paper backdrop all the way to the ground now. So I got to actually get on the ground for some poses, and those were a lot of fun, you guys. For the poses on the ground, I didn't think too much about my legs. More so I thought of kind of like when I did my upgrade your selfies video, more so like face selfies, those kind of poses. So that was a lot of fun. I tried to be very unique with the poses instead of just keeping standard poses, you guys. Like I said, I tried to treat it like I'm in a certain scenario. So there are some poses where I was kind of like Catwoman or something, you know, just literally, you guys, come get into character and just do your thing. The more you shoot, the easier it gets. So, you know, the further you get into the shoot that you're doing, the easier it's going to get, you guys. But those are my posing 2.0 based off of levels. I have more posing videos coming for you guys, but I'm telling y'all that Pinterest hack is life-changing. But think of levels and think of what you can do in those levels, from standing, sitting, squatting, sitting, and then all the way to laying down, you guys. But I'll definitely have more posing videos. Check out all of my amazing DIY photo shoots if you guys want to see some of the poses that I hit. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see y'all next time.